Dear students, on your screen on the upper side you can see it what we have underlined, and uh, today that we have 160 satellites. Okay, 160 satellites in our solar system. In our whole solar system you can see it here. Okay, in our whole solar system we have how many? Total 160 satellites in our solar system. Mercury and Venus are the only planet that do not have any satellites. Mercury and Venus, which planet? Mercury, it is here. Okay, Mercury and Venus that does not have any satellite. Like planets, satellites also do not have their own light. The sun has the only light, but the other planets do not have their own light. They shine because they reflect, underline. Okay, they reflect the light of the sun. Now the quick revision, just do it with your own self. Okay, multiple choice question on page number 108. Okay, take the correct option. First, the planet is called the red planet. You have to do it, you have to write down this activity. The planet is called the red planet, Mars. You can see it on this solar system. Okay, it is here, and that is why it is known as the red planet. Afterwards, second question is, a celestial body that revolves around a planet is called satellite. Okay, answer is satellite. I hope that you are getting what we are doing. Multiple choice question that you have to do it with your own self in your SS notebook, and afterwards you have to send it to me. Okay, MCQ. And then moon on same page, on page number 108 here. Okay, so let's discuss first of all about the moon. Okay, let's discuss about the moon now. You will better understand about all these things. Okay, moon, you can see here moon. Just see the positions of the moon. Okay, okay, now you can see it. Moon that we are going to discuss now. So moon, the moon is the only natural satellite of our planet, only natural planet. Okay, so our planet of the earth, it is the closest celestial body to the earth, closest. This is the earth and it is very close. Okay, very close. Only one satellite that we have and name is moon. It is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the sun. It is very easy to look, to observe, but the distance, you will get amazed. Okay, the distance between the sun, okay, from this you can better understand. Just see how beautiful it is. Okay, so the distance that I am going to show you, this is the surface of the earth, and the distance between earth to the moon, the distance, you will get amazed. On page number 20, on page number 108, it's around 3,84,000 kilometer, 84,000 kilometer away. Okay, 84,000 kilometer away. It is quite amazing thing. Okay, the distance, and it is the only celestial body near to the earth. How close? Once you observe that, it is look like that very close to the sun, very close to the earth, but it is not very close. Okay, the distance there, it is around very far, 3 lakh kilometer away. Just see, this is the moon. Moon, it is there, different positions. So it reflects the light of the sun. It appears at different position and in different shapes at the different times. You can see different shapes, okay, at the different time. These are known as the phases of the moon. All these things is known as the phases of the moon. Different shapes in different time. You can see different shapes throughout the different time. Okay, I am going to show another picture so you can get different shapes. Okay, this known as the phases of the moon. The lunar calendar is based on phase of this moon. Okay, different time, different shapes is appear on your screen. Lunar eclipse. Okay, so the time, it is already done in India. Phases are caused due to the revolution of the moon around the earth. You can see the different shape of the moon. The main cause of this shape, it is only because of the revolution around the earth, revolves around the earth. Okay, revolves around the earth, revolution, and thus different shapes, because you can see different shapes, it is here, so you can understand very well. Okay, different shapes are also here. How? Okay, just see different shape, because it is the revolution. The main reason of the different shape is the revolution around the earth, revolution around the earth. So phases are caused due to the revolution of the moon around the earth. The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. 27 days, okay, to complete one revolution. It took, dear students, how many days? 27 days and 8 hours. 8 hours to complete one revolution. Okay, the moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. The visible shape of the moon that reflects sunlight changes from night to night. Every night it is changing. Okay, it is there. About the 21 days, 26 day, 20, 18, 14, 10, 7, 1 day, after 1 day, 7 days old, 8 days vaccine, full moon, 3rd day, quarter, new moon. Okay, you can see that in this pic. Okay, it is very easy to understand, my dear students. Okay, so in this present lecture we have discussed about the moon and some of the important part that we are going to discuss in our next lecture. I hope that you are getting. We have discussed about the different earth, okay, that you are getting. I hope that you know very well about this planet, our earth. In our next lecture we are going to discuss about the phases of the moon, asteroids, meteors. Okay, I hope that you are getting, and send that activity that I have sent you on my personal number, WhatsApp it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.